Hello students, welcome to class. Our topic for today's class is laboratory apparatus and their uses. Laboratory apparatus refers to the various tools, equipment, and instruments used in scientific research, experimentation, and analysis in a laboratory setting. These apparatus are designed to perform specific tasks, measurements, or manipulations required in different scientific disciplines. Here are some commonly used laboratory apparatus. Beaker. A cylindrical container with a flat bottom and a pouring lip used for holding, mixing, and heating liquids. Test tube. A small, cylindrical glass or plastic tube used for holding and heating small amounts of substances. Erlenmeyer flask. A conical-shaped flask with a narrow neck used for mixing, heating, and storing liquids. It is designed to allow easy swirling and prevents splashing. Pipette. A slender, calibrated glass or plastic tube used to measure and transfer small volumes of liquids. Barrette. A long, graduated tube with a stopcock at the bottom, used for precise measurement and dispensing of liquid volumes in titration experiments. Petri dish. A shallow, cylindrical, transparent dish with a lid, used for culturing microorganisms and observing small samples. Microscope. An instrument used for magnifying and examining small objects or specimens that are not visible to the naked eye. Centrifuge. A machine used to separate substances of different densities by spinning samples at high speeds, causing the heavier components to settle at the bottom. Test tube rack. It is used for holding test tubes. Tripod stand. It is placed on top of Bunsen burner and it is used to heat or boil substances. pH meter. An electronic device used to measure the acidity or alkalinity, pH, of a solution. Bunsen burner. A common heat source used in laboratories, which produces a single, open flame for heating or sterilizing objects. Thermometer. A device used to measure temperature, typically containing a glass tube with a liquid, such as mercury, that expands or contracts with temperature changes. Measuring cylinder. A calibrated cylindrical glassware or plastic used for measuring the volume of liquids. Spectrophotometer. An instrument used to measure the intensity of light at different wavelengths, often used in chemical analysis or biochemistry to determine the concentration of substances. These are just a few examples of the numerous laboratory apparatus available, and their specific usage varies depending on the field of science and the nature of the experiment or analysis being conducted. This is the end of today's class. Stay tuned for another exciting topic on chemistry. Have a good day.